Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the official Windows 11 ISO file and how to install it on your computer or laptop step by step. So, let's get started. Let's download the Windows 11 ISO file. I have created this website called Software Download Hub. On this site, you'll find the link for the Windows 11 ISO file. Once you click on it, you'll be redirected directly to Microsoft's official page. As soon as you click, the official Microsoft website will open, and from there you can proceed further. After scrolling down a little, you'll see the option that says Download Windows 11 Disk Image, ISO, for x64 devices. From the drop-down, select Windows 11 and click on Download. Then click Confirm for verification. Next, you'll be asked to select the product language. Choose your preferred language. Here, I'll select English, United States, and click Confirm again. After verification, you'll see the option Download, Windows 11 English. Now just click on 64-bit download, and the ISO file will start downloading. Make sure to complete the setup within 24 hours, otherwise the link will expire. You can download the Windows 11 ISO file along with another tool called Rufus. Both links are provided in the video description, so you can easily download from there. To get Rufus, visit its official website. Scroll down to latest releases and download the most recent version. Note: I already have Windows 11 ISO and Rufus downloaded, so I didn't download them again. I have already opened the folders for Windows 11 and Rufus. To proceed with the Windows setup, we need a minimum 8 GB USB drive. So, I connected our USB drive to the laptop. If your USB drive contains any personal files, make sure to back them up, because everything on the USB will be deleted during the process. Double-click on Rufus to open it. Once Rufus opens, click on Select and navigate to the folder where your Windows 11 ISO file is saved. There's no need to change any other options in Rufus. You will see that as soon as you select the Windows 11 ISO file, Rufus automatically verifies it and enables several options. As I mentioned earlier, there's no need to change anything. Simply click on Start. The ISO file will begin installing onto your USB drive. Remember, use a minimum 8 GB USB, and make sure it is connected to your system before opening Rufus. Copying the Windows 11 files to the USB may take a little time, so I've sped up the video. Please watch patiently. The USB is now ready. Once it's ready, disconnect your USB once and then reconnect it. Now, you need to find out your system's BIOS key. You can search on Google for it. Usually, the common keys are Del, F2, F10, ESC, or F12. If it's not clear, you can also search using your motherboard or laptop model to find the correct key. Now, follow the setup exactly the way I'm doing it. You can repeat the same process on your system. The setup is now complete. Next, we will configure Windows. I'm going through it step by step, so make sure you follow the same process. If you have Outlook, you can enter your password. If not, skip the internet setup and go back. There will be some simple form fields to fill out. They're not complicated, so just take it easy and fill them in carefully. Setup completed successfully.